Tell me about Holly.
Holly, you can put a blanket on Holly, and you can put a cushion on her, and my kitties Holly say nice and warm, and my cushion I put some blankets on cushion, and so I put some cushions onto cushion.
Where is Holly?
Onto a bed.
Where? Here?
No.
Oh,
not
where?
Here. And Bubba's, and you play, and you could not play with cushion. Holly with her cushion is my little dolly.
Oh, okay.
And Holly is Kiki's little doll.
Got it.
And you can put little blankets onto Holly, and you can put some cushion onto I'm going to put my best on.
Okay.
No, that is my best.
That one's Dags. Hey, Dags. What does Holly wear?
Dress.
A dress?
Yeah. But this still does fit.
Careful.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah.
Holly, undies
Kids.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Holly, undies fall down.
Her undies fell down?
No, Holly's.
Oh.
Holly's had some undies, but Chloe's did not have some undies.
Oh.
Mama,
Interesting.
Chloe's
You what?
Caris. Mama, Holly had some undies, but Holly had some undies, but Chris had some undies.
Oh. Interesting.
We'll zip this up.